Hello to JCB viewers. Welcome to JCB EduBuild Solutions, founded by engineer James Polo. Today, our discussion will be Sanitation, Plumbing Design and Installation Part 1. Bakit mahalaga ang sanitation sa plumbing system? Consider that a single cross-connection or a broken trap seal can turn a functional building into a source of waterborne illness. The plumbing code exists to provide the technical constraints that prevent these specific failures. Let's look directly at the code's definition of insanitary. A condition becomes a technical hazard when it violates basic sanitary principles, such as failing to maintain proper trap seals, lacking adequate water supply to keep fixtures clean, or allowing back pressure. If a trap is defective or unvented, the system is immediately classified as insanitary. To keep this practical, we will focus on two core pillars. Principle 8 mandates that systems must safeguard against fouling and clogging. Then, Principle 22 dictates proper sewage disposal, ensuring waste never contaminates the ground or our drinking water. Here is a quick reviewer tip. Saan kadalasang nakakamali? Sa pag-aakalang ang plumbing ay puro sizing lang. Ignoring sanitation requirements leads directly to contamination and rejected designs. Even if a pipe meets the sizing charts, it fails inspection if the layout allows for contamination. On the board exam, sanitation requirements determine whether a design is technically compliant or a liability. Kung mali ang design, ano mangyayari sa system? This is where we move from the theory of sanitation into the physical reality of layout design. The code establishes a baseline through Principle 6. Every family dwelling unit abutting a sewer must be equipped with at least one water closet, one kitchen-type sink, one lavatory, and either a bathtub or a shower. With the fixture count established, the design addresses the technical challenge of system protection, trap seal loss. Looking at section J.3, you see the four specific factors causing a trap seal to fail. These are siphonage, back pressure, evaporation, and capillary action. Ano ang gagawin natin dito? Let's test your memory. Pause the video right now and try to list the four common causes of trap seal loss that we just mentioned. Isulat nyo sa notes nyo. While evaporation happens naturally over time, self-siphonage is usually an engineering failure. It is the result of poor layout planning and incorrect sizing assumptions. Gravity handles the waste, but air pressure protects the home. Maintaining a precise air pressure balance across the entire system is what keeps the trap seal intact and functioning as a health barrier. Design pa lang tama na, pero paano kung mali ang installation? Execution out in the field must perfectly match the blueprint. Let's review the specific rules for trenching. There are strict, testable conditions for placing water pipes in the same trench as building sewers or storm drainage piping. The code dictates two strict measurements. The bottom of the water pipe must be placed at least 0.3 meters above the top of the sewer, and there needs to be a 0.3 meter clear horizontal distance separating them. Another critical installation factor is thrust blocking. These are required to resist the impact of water hammer, particularly where the system changes direction at T's and bends, or where it reduces in size. Kung may lalabas sa exam, dito NAGSISIMULA LAHAT. First, sanitation principles protect health through specific hazard definitions. Second, layout design focuses on preventing trap seal failure. Third, strict trenching clearances keep your water supply safe during installation. Part 2 natin mas lalalim pa. Actual systems, sizing, and design applications. Thank you JCB viewers for listening, and for those who are not yet following, please follow us for more contents and free reviewers for you. See you on the next topic.